You won't believe this music video I'm about to show you was actually created using AI.
But I'll heal, even if it takes time. I'll rise from this, I'll find a new climb.
And in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to create this music video using one single AI website. The best part is that you don't have to juggle around different AI websites to create this kind of music video. So let's get started. Use the link under this video description to come to this website. And when you come to this website, on the left hand side, you will click on one click story. But before that, you need to sign in to this website. With that being said, let's move on to create our music video. So when you come here, you see this option. We have four options here. We have explainer video, music video, we have character vlogs. I've created a single video on this character vlog that you can go and watch. So here we have music video. So when you come here, click on create. From here, we have two options of uploading your music. You can paste a link to a music, or you can upload a music that you have on your device. So if you want to use a link, then click here. If you want to upload a music from your device, click on upload, and then you can click on select file. So from here, you're going to go to your device and select a music you want to use. You make sure that that music was created by you. There are different AI websites you can use to create your music. You can use Suno AI to create your music. After your music has been selected, you can select any part of your music that you want to use, or you can click here to take a preview of the music.
It might take a while, but I'll break.
Okay, so after that, click on confirm. Then here they are processing your audio. Here you can use a style, you can use story, you can use sync. If you want a character to sing your song, you can use this sync here. And if you want to tell a story with that music, then you select the story option. If you want to use a style, then you select style. So if I click on style, they are going to allow me to select different styles from here. If you use the auto style, it's going to use the AI on this website to select a style that is going to be suitable for your music. So here you can select any style you want. If you are done, if you are okay with the style, then come down and click on create story. But if you don't want to use the style and you want to use the story, click on story. And it's also going to give you another option here, auto story. This is going to try to get a story that will be suitable for your video. If you want to use one star story, click on that, and from here select a character you want to use to tell your story, or you can upload a character by yourself from this custom character here. Then after that, we have the sing. So if I click on sing, if you can select the character you wanted to sing your music, or you can upload a custom character from this option. So let's say I want this character to sing my music. When you click on that, it's going to be applied. So I'll come down, you select the aspect ratio. Let's select 9:16 aspect ratio. After that, you come down and click on create your story. And after some few seconds, guys, we have our video ready. So let's play this video so you take a look at how the video looks like.
It might take a while, but I'll break free. 'Cause I'm not just a woman, I'm more than you see. But I'll heal even if it takes time.
You can see how good the video is now. So if you are okay with the video, you go ahead to download. If you are not okay, you click on edit this story, and it's going to take you to the editor on this website so you can do some editing to it. Let's try that out. So let's click on edit this story, and here it takes us to the editor on this website. So if you come down here, this is the music has been added. So if you want to reduce the background music, you can go here and reduce the background music. Then these are the videos, these are the images. So if you scroll, this vertical bar is called your player. If you scroll through, then you can see all the videos that have been created. Then over here on the left hand side here, these are the videos that were generated to put together to get this output of this video. Then here, if you want to add another video, click on add. You can create, upload, or check your generations. Then here, this is image. If you click on image, these images were created first before being converted to animated video. So they are all here. These are the images. Then this is music. If you want, this is the background music we use. So that's it. Then this is voiceover. If you want to add voiceover, you can use that. But since this is a music video, then no need of adding voiceover to this video. So those are the things you can do right there. So after that, if you are okay with your video, then you can go ahead, click on share, and then you download this video. So by yourself, you can go ahead to try the style, the story, and then you see the output you are going to get from that. So this is how you create this music video using openart. Don't forget to use my link in this video description to go to this website. In my next video, we are going to be talking about how to create the explainer video on this website. So do well to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell, because that video is going to be very interesting and mind-blowing at the same time. Thank you guys for watching this video, and if you haven't watched the previous video which I did on how to create the vlogging style of video using this same website, go ahead to watch that video and let me know what you are going to be creating under the comment section of this video. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video.